Much of the climate change that is taking place on our planet these days is believed to be the result of increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, a gas with excellent heat-trapping properties that is thought to be behind the Earth's well-documented rise in temperature. This added heat is creating areas of extreme drought, as well as causing powerful, unusually damaging storms. And diminishing winter snowfall in areas such as the Rocky Mountains is threatening water supplies to millions of people, as well as harming agriculture all across the region. However, overall, one of the most noticeable effects of the Earth's increased temperature is the melting of polar ice and of glaciers, as well as the thawing of the Arctic tundra. In places like Greenland and parts of Antarctica, the rate of ice loss has nearly doubled in recent years. The melting ice alters the habitats of species that live in very cold places, such as polar bears, and also contributes to rising sea levels worldwide. However, sea level rise is also produced by the thermal expansion of water due to the Earth's ever-increasing temperature. An example of how the level of the ocean affects ecosystems is seen in coastal mangrove swamps like this one. Mangroves are trees that often form dense clumps in shallow areas where freshwater and saltwater meet. Mangrove swamp ecosystems protect low-lying shorelines and support a large collection of creatures that live among their roots, as well as populations of birds, monkeys, and reptiles that live among their branches. In some coastal areas, such as the Florida Everglades, rising sea levels are making the water too salty in the existing mangrove habitats. And this is not only causing a die-off of some of these trees, it is also promoting their migration into freshwater inland ecosystems, where mangroves are starting to take over the already dwindling habitats of animals such as alligators, bald eagles, and panthers that dwell in the Everglades swamps. Increasing ocean temperatures are causing a variety of problems with marine ecosystems too. The added warmth encourages coral diseases and promotes the invasion of reefs by harmful non-native species. And this is causing widespread destruction of these beautiful and extremely diverse ecosystems. The higher water temperatures are expected to result in migrations of fish populations out of the traditionally warmer seas into cooler waters. The added carbon dioxide in our atmosphere is also causing the oceans to become more acidic due to the increasing levels of carbonic acid that CO2 creates when it's dissolved in water. And, in addition, ocean acidification is starting to take its toll on corals, on shell formation in a variety of organisms, and on marine food chains in general.